never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is tonibryanne, and my channel is all about beauty, fashion, and discovery, and if you guys want to see more content from me, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now down below. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my super cute bomb pink aesthetic iOS 14 update background, and I'm so ready to show you guys because it is so cute, and I learned it on my own so I could show you guys after, and we could just all have some really bomb cute 2000s vibes aesthetic background and make our phones look like they're jailbroken all over again. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna first screen record my screen so y'all can see everything that's going on. My phone's like about to die, so it'll probably last throughout the video. So the first thing you're gonna do, as y'all can see, my phone is all up to date. It looks so cute. It looks really, really good. I absolutely love it. But I'm gonna show you guys how I got it to how it looks now. So some advice for like wallpapers, if anybody had questions on my wallpapers. Pinterest is your best friend. I guess Google as well, but I definitely suggest using Pinterest because Pinterest has really cute pink aesthetics that I think would definitely be a vibe for your phone. I downloaded a bunch. Like if you guys look at my photos, here are my photos. As y'all can see, I had like basically a ton of aesthetic stuff. So yes, so many pink delicious things. But yeah, so first thing you're gonna want to do, of course, is get a really cute bomb background. I love my background. It's like pink glitter. I wanted that vibe. Look for a vibe you want. If you want like a neutral vibe, if you want like a pink vibe, I don't know. There's different types of vibes that y'all may want. Floral vibe, I don't know. Go on Pinterest. You'll find some really cute ones. After that, what you're going to want to download is Widgetsmith. And you also want to download color widgets. Now I used color widgets because I prefer it better. I know some people say they like Widgetsmith better, but I definitely suggest color widgets. That's where I got my super cute widget that says right here, Sunday, September 20th at 5:05 p.m. I love it. It's so cute, and it shows like where your battery percentage is. But yeah, so you're just going to go to the App Store and you are going to download that. So I use Widgetsmith. And I also have, as y'all can see, under Widgetsmith, if you type in Widgetsmith, color widgets will be right under it. And color widgets has better reviews anyway. That's why I downloaded it first, but then I downloaded Widgetsmith after. But I don't know, I just like color widgets way better. So what you're going to do is go on color widgets because this is what I'm recommending. And you're just going to want to pick the aesthetic that you want. You could also do with your widgets, like this is my current widget. You could pick a picture of yourself. You could do background images. So like say I wanted to add a photo of my dog and then she'd be the background. Hold on, let me click it. Yep, and then it would be her as the background, but I don't want that. I like it white and simple and it matches my aesthetic. Really cute. You could also change the size. So say I put set widget. All you have to do is now click on your screen, press the plus button in the upper left hand corner, and then you're just going to scroll all the way down until you see color widgets. Click on that widget and then you can pick the size of the widget that you want. You have a large one, medium one, or a small one, and I selected the small one because I think the small one was cuter. So yeah, so that's how you do that. Super simple. And then I have my cute little Sunday, September 20th. I love that. It's a really cute and nice touch. I didn't get the small one. I used to have the small one. I changed it to the medium one because I liked it better. Like it filled my screen better. So what is next you're going to do? So of course the icons, I'm sure y'all all want to like make your icons look bomb. One thing I love about this update is that you don't have to keep all of your apps on your screen. There's now on the last page of all your apps, there's an app library. So it has all your apps, all your suggested apps, your games, your others, all that fun stuff. It's in an app library, and you could literally just like, you don't even have to go to the app library and type it in, but you could do this if you're looking for an app. Like I'm looking for Instagram. If Instagram was not on my phone, I could look for Instagram and it'll type in, search it right away, or you could just swipe down like we used to before and just type in, oops, Instagram, and you could find that. So I'm going to show you guys how to make the icons look really bomb right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have the this app. Oh my god, why am I like blinking? Shortcuts app. Yes, download the Shortcuts app. And as y'all can see, I already have a bunch of folders of all the apps that I use. So I have like Safari, Visco, Amazon, The Pattern, Notes, all that stuff. So I'm going to use like another app that I do not currently have on my screen, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So what you're going to do is, for instance, I'm going to use WhatsApp, okay? So first of all, I put WhatsApp inside my little library. So I'm going to click on WhatsApp, click on hold it, click add to home screen. Automatically it's added to my home screen, messing up my whole aesthetic. So say I wanted to have like a really cute like icon for my WhatsApp. I decided to go on Google to do this. So Safari, I went on Google and I could look up, I don't know, like a pink icon or which I already searched, and say I want pink phone. Hold on, pink phone icon. Okay, so say I wanted this phone. So I'm just gonna hold this, add to my photos. And now what you're gonna wanna do is go to the shortcuts app. So I'm clicking on shortcuts and you're gonna click the plus hand in the upper right corner. I don't know if y'all saw that. Upper right hand corner, click plus, and then type in open apps. Open app. And then you'll see right here, it pops up. I click on open app and then I'm going to choose the app that I want to open. So all my other apps are looking snazzy and very cute. So I'm going to type in WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Then you're going to click the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner. And then I'm going to click shortcut name, and I want that to be WhatsApp still because I'm going to be using it as WhatsApp. And then I'm going to put add to home screen. And then I'm going to type in WhatsApp again. WhatsApp. And then you're going to click on the little pink icon. It's going to be a different color. It could be blue, green, whatever. They kind of pick it for you. Just click on that. Click choose photo. And I'm going to click on the phone. Choose. Add. And then add it to my home screen. And then done. And bam. Now I have, if y'all can see here, I have WhatsApp here. So if you also want to get rid of the other app, which you're probably going to do, get rid of the original app. All you have to do is click on the original app. Click on remove app. And click move to app library. Do not delete the app, just put move to app library, and boom, bang, you look bomb. So that's how I did every single app. It's so easy. This isn't like a super long, tedious tutorial. It's simple, and you just do that for every single app that you have up there, and it's easy. So the only thing I've done, like I looked up pink aesthetics for everything, like for Snapchat, I literally just clicked pink Snapchat icon on Google. And it'll pop up, and yeah, see, it's the first one that pops up. So you could use Google, you could use Pinterest for like the backgrounds, like some of the aesthetic ones that I have on here, like the SoundCloud one with the money and the kitty, and the pattern app, which is actually an astrology app, but I thought it looked cute with the with my aesthetic without having, I was gonna do like a pink moon, but I was like, I don't care, I'm just gonna do it like that. I know some people, they have like all their apps like that, it just doesn't match the icons. Like I said, I only have a few that are like that. SoundCloud I use because, you know, I use the cat and the money, because people always talk about SoundCloud rappers, and, you know, I don't know, just remind me of money. But yeah, that's why I use that. But for me, I feel like it would get so confusing, like having like a bunch of random photo, like icon photos for everything. So I wanted it to be like more organized and just use like the icons, but the original icons, but in different colors, which I wanted pink. So yeah, you guys could definitely go on Pinterest and find that. So this is where I literally looked up on Pinterest. Super simple. I just pressed search, and then I looked up glitter background pink baddie aesthetic wallpaper. Like when I click on that, you guys will see like a bunch of like super cute aesthetics, which I really like this money one. This one's cute. But yeah, so many cute things. Brats up here, so cute. It's a vibe. Like I definitely suggest y'all use Pinterest. Pinterest will be your absolute best friend. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how I was able to get my super cute background. And even like on my phone icon, if y'all look all the way at the bottom where like Apple Music is and Safari, I have like little phones here because that's for phone calls and stuff. And I have like all my contacts, and it's lit. So I definitely suggest you guys get that. Also, this pink Louis Vuitton icon was also from Pinterest. So yeah, my sister helped me pick some of that stuff out, but it looks so good. Look at the Netflix one is really, really cute. But yeah, that is how I did my iOS 14 update the most simple way. I feel like so many people on YouTube are like making it mad complicated. Like it's so easy. Like I want to show y'all it done already. And it took me literally, how long did it take me to do all this? I think it took me like about 2 hours. It took a little while, but it's fun to do for me. Like the weather app, my settings, all that stuff was fun. I don't know, but it's a good time. It takes a while, but it's going to be all worth it when your little screen looks super cute and pink. I also want to get a new phone case because I feel like it doesn't match the vibe of like my new background. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys have any additional questions, please ask them in the comments down below. I'm more than happy to help and give y'all some tips on how to have a super bomb cute pink aesthetic background. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.